my hair and don't mind the sound in the background. I'm going to show you how long I could do for. So I have the timer here. It's set 0, 0, 0. So when I'm doing it, wait, hold on. So when I start, I'm gonna press start on it. Ready, set, go. Whew. 14 seconds and 98. 14 seconds and 98 minutes. So yeah.